Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Savannah, 300 north. I need to take it at least 3 to 4 blocks south. Then I gotta go east from Savannah. I'm gonna need a supervisor, I'll be instant commander until I got officers and a supervisor with me. Black and white, black and white.
Hi, this is Officer in South Savannah and Cesar Chavez, Special Perimeter Savannah, 300 North, 3-4 blocks south, eastbound Savannah, request a supervisor. Please enter commander till finish the unit arrive.
Okay, I need clicking down. I'm afraid of shooting on Savannah. I need to go 1 street east, and I need to go at least 3 streets west. Then I need to go from Savannah, and I need to go at least 5 blocks south.
Requesting the perimeter 1 street east, 3 streets west, 5 blocks south.
Yeah, East Savannah. Yes. Let me we got it on there, so the victim is 3 vehicles. Something off. So let me get my perimeter. Savannah. 5 blocks south. Victim is going to be on my right car. Look, he's down.
We have a suspect down there?
There's a gray car that almost hit us too.
It's okay. What we got? Hold on. Sorry. We got one guy down?
I fired. I don't know where my camera is.
It's okay.
Officer down or victim suspect down?
We got a suspect down.
We got two suspects down. The last I had was 2 suspects.
Right. Those are
2 victims.
and then the suspects ran towards me. I had the incident here at Savannah and Cesar Chavez. So let's go. Cesar Chavez, 5 blocks south. Cesar.
Okay, we're gonna go 5 blocks south, so let's take this down to First Street at least. So you guys go around and go down. Tom, come here. Come here, Tom. Okay, what do we got? We have a shooting happened here. You saw it?
Yes.
Okay.
We see it. They ran to us with guns. I'm right
Okay,
here.
got you here.
I fired 1 round.
Where's your partner? Your partner good?
Yeah.
Okay, all
I don't know where my
officers counted
camera
for?
is.
All officers counted for?
Yes.
Okay. 50 boy code 6. Verify all officers are accounted for it.
Verify all officers are accounted for.
Okay, where's our crime scene?
Right here.
Okay. Two suspects, right? Outstanding?
Right.
Unknown.
R11. We can't let any cars in or out. The suspects that did the shooting ran They ran to us at Savannah. Once at Savannah, they were southbound.
Okay, Tom. Come here, dude. We got this all locked down, dude. We're good. Okay.
Hey, Sarge, we're going to block that area over there.
R11.
The 2 male Hispanics that ran southbound, they continued southbound. I had my first unit then go on hold the right. And then my partner went to the 2 victims.
For that scene, southbound 2 male Hispanics, R11 or all officers
How
accounted
much?
for.
Hey, Tom. So if we take this down to First Street,
Department to enter?
Yes.
we take this down to First Street, that's enough, right?
Going to 50 board location.
Boy, I'm with the primary here on Chavez and Savannah, right here at the T intersection. So we're going to take this down to at least First Street to the south. And then I need to know my streets to the east-west. Hey.
Airship, I'm going to give you a light. This is going to be where the incident occurred. The victims are going to be just east of you. I'm giving you a flashing
Here's what the victims.
pattern from my right.
Suspects
Ran eastbound on Cesar Chavez and southbound on Savannah.
Okay, so they saw shooting right over here. Shooters ran towards them. They got an OIS here. Victims, suspects are went continued southbound.
All right, so we do have an OIS.
Yes.
Northbound.
Once we get this like stabilized, I'm gonna do the PSS.
Suspects are running eastbound towards Savannah to the gray vehicle. Out of the street. Then they were southbound on Savannah. And then I lost them probably about 35 feet southbound.
Okay.
Oh, copy. Do you have anything further on the vehicle other than a gray vehicle? And verify it's 2 outstanding suspects and you wanted to go southbound to first, correct?
Luis.
Okay, our 50 patrol, we have suspect ran west on Michigan from Savannah.
Entire frequencies, because we have no idea who we're looking for. That's what we're doing.
Our 50 ready to roll.
By the perimeter, hopefully we can get a suspect description. Can we get something out right now from my guys, sir?
Suspect description? Yeah. I'm working on it right now. Hey, Luis. You have suspect description? Okay.
These frequencies right now. Give me a second.
No, yeah. What do we have for a suspect description so they can put it on their frequency?
It's 2 male Hispanics, about 5'5" to 5'9". One wearing a blue bandana on his face with a baseball hat, black jeans. And the other one was, I can't believe, if I'm not mistaken, it was dark second
Taking the distinction, or you got him?
No, I got him.
You got him.
dark color hat.
Start coordinating your guys. Yeah, set up a CP somewhere, start coordinating your guys.
And you remember?
Everything went this way?
Yeah.
I'm not too sure.
That way.
Remember they got out
southbound right here.
They saw 2 guys running, one with a hooded sweater, black color.
Yeah. We have a sign. Yeah. All get your body worn. Is that your body worn?
This is his body worn right here. Activate.
Okay.
So he didn't activate. The guys are running with the last thing southbound? This is your other one?
Yeah.
Are you staying with him?
No, yeah. Well, I need to do a PSS. We got to do it with Tom and do PSS to him too.
Let's keep this on base. Let's get this set up on base and verify. Are we going to do this on Metro or are we going to do it on Hollenbeck so you guys can hear each other? The frequencies are tight.
Hey, Tom, sir, we're going to set the sequence in that direction over there right now.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, all units on the OIS switch over to Hollenbeck base so we can all hear what's going on.
As far as I know right now, yeah. Were you involved too?
Yeah, it's 2.
Okay,
Where's the
2.
other one at?
Right here. Him and him. We got him.
Oh, okay, they got him.
Hey, primary unit, I heard that your suspect constantly doubles back westbound. How far west do you want to go?
How far west do you want to go? Tom, Luis.
We're going to have to make this east pretty large. You're going to see that north-south for me, black and white. It took them a second to set up. We're going to have to take it at least 1 more block east and at least 5 blocks south.
Okay, I already got you set up 4 blocks south, and then you guys were all stepping on each other. So one more time, what do you want as your east-west? You need to go further east than Evergreen.
No,
I only have it going to Evergreen on the east, and so far on your west, I've got your west end looking like thicket. I'm sorry, flat.
Hey, Dante, you going to monitor him?
Evergreen, Roger. This is from Evergreen down to Mont. Chavez down to first. Suspects or 2 male Hispanics. Number 5'5" to 5'8". Number 1 wearing a dark colored hat, blue bandana, blue jeans. Suspect number 2, dark clothing. Suspects were last seen southbound Savannah from Chavez. 5'3", Kev. Can advise the FD to clear enter. Right here.
4W111, I'm code 6 on the options now.
Hold the frequency. FD enter. Fire department being notified.
You get public safety on him?
I need to do it now.
Okay.
You have that?
You want me to get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, range
red?
Red shell's right there.
Hey, guys on the perimeter, make sure no vehicles in or out.
Okay, going off. Public safety statement.
Okay, he's on top of the roof. Bring your dog, bring your dog, bring your dog! Let me see your hands, man! Bring your dog!
Yeah, don't give directions. Let the guys with PA. Right.
Hey, bring the dog over here. On top of the roof. Hey, let me see your hands, bro. On the roof, on the roof, on the roof. What's up, man? You come down, I'll get you a water. Hey, God is my witness. My lips see God's ears. You come down, I'll get you water. But enough of this, bro. You're caught. Come on, bro. Come down, I'll get you some water. I mean, you can keep doing this, but it's going to end the same, bro. Yeah. Hop down right here and hop down, bro. It's not that big a deal. We can talk. Hang on a second. Hey, Torres.
Yeah, right here.
Stay. Come over here. Come over here. You're good. Come here. Just cover him. Okay. What's up, dude? Look, here's the deal. You need to come down. We'll put you in handcuffs. I'll get you some water, and we'll figure this out. But you running around ain't helping you, and you know you're caught. The only thing that's going to happen if you don't come down is eventually you're going to come down and get bit by the dog and still get put in handcuffs. All right? I'm trying to treat you like a man and give you the opportunity to just come down and surrender like a man. Otherwise, you're going to choose the way that you go to jail. You can go to jail like a man in handcuffs, or you can go to jail in the back of an ambulance with a big bad dog bite and tasers and all that other nonsense. All right? Step right here, come down. I'll put handcuffs on you like a man, and then we can figure this stuff out. But you're not helping yourself, homie. All right? You're stuck, dude. You're on a roof. There's dogs all around. You ain't going nowhere. And if you do go somewhere, you're gonna get bit. What's your name? What? Satan? Saint? Como like Santo? Saint. Listen, dude. I'm not pointing a gun at you. I'm just talking to you, right? Look, we can stand here and talk all night. But at the end of the night, bro, you know how this ends. With you going in handcuffs, and then we figure this out. Hang on. What's that?
We're going to loan to you.
Okay.
All right?
Yep. Okay.
Turn around. Turn around. Go down on your own, understand? All right.
I got him. Let's go. Put your hands behind your back.
No. I ain't gonna.
Okay. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Good job, guys. Huh?
Sorry guys for making it.
It's all right, man. You got a lot on your mind. Spread your feet for me?
Can I get some water?
Yeah. Can you take this off me?
Yeah.